Hey, why isn't your WooCommerce product category showing up in your menu? It's not showing up. You've added the category. Why isn't it showing up? So the reason is very straightforward. It turns out WordPress is a little smarter than you, but you're not alone. Here's an example. So we have the product categories here on the right, listing, and this is using a product category widget. So if you're using WooCommerce, this will show up as an option for you to add to your sidebar or to another widget area. And if I jump over to the dashboard, I can see, looking at the product categories, we've got the list here, and this product, the category is called Sale Products. I just added it, and so it should be showing up over here in this list, but it's not, right? So we don't see the category for sale products showing up over here. So the reason it's not showing up is because there are 0 products in this category. So WordPress is smart enough to know that you have 0 products in that category, and so it will not show the category in the list of categories until you've added at least 1 product. So once you add a product to this category, in this case it's sale products, then it will show up over here in the list of product categories. Okay, I'm Emily Journey. Stick with me, we'll figure out WordPress and SEO together.